Hi, welcome to Sumery P. My name's Sue and today I'm going to share my Bouncy Banana Energy Balls. That's right, they give you that little extra bounce when you have that afternoon slump and you want to have something sweet but you don't want to have chocolate or a biscuit or a cake. Then these are perfect. I love sharing recipes that are semi-healthy, but I also love baking with spelt flour and buckwheat flour. I love sharing bread recipes and just anything that I love to eat. That's what I share. So if you like this style of video, hit the thumbs up and don't forget subscribe and let's get mixing. So today I'm going to do it in my food processor just because I have it and it's easier, but I'll talk you through how you can also do it without a food processor. So if you've got a banana to use up, then that's perfect. I made this up because I had a ripe banana and I thought, what can I do with it? I want a healthy snack. So I'm just popping the banana in. This is kind of a medium size, but you can do a large one if you've got a large one. And then half a cup of oats, either rolled or porridged oats. I've got porridge oats here today, so half a cup of those. Half a cup of desiccated coconut. We just get the one variety here. I think it's an unsweetened variety in the UK. And I've got some ground flaxseed. This is optional. I just love adding that. So I've got a little bit of extra fiber in my snacks, but leave it out if you don't have it. And a tablespoon of chia seeds. And once again, that's just for extra goodness. And for sweetness, I'm going to do some chopped up dates. So I've got the large majol dates, if that's how you say it. I've taken the seeds out, so I'm just going to chop them with a knife. So if you don't have a food processor, what I'd suggest is probably soaking the dates in some boiling water for about an hour or 2 hours until they're soft. Drain off the water. And then you could mix them in with a fork and mash the banana up with a fork and just mix all the oats and everything together. And then you don't really need the food processor. So that was 6 large dates. So I'm just going to click this on and whiz it till it's blended. That was so quick. I don't think that was even a minute. So I've got this kind of like sticky paste now. So clip that off. Now you can transfer this to a bowl, but what I'll do, I'm just going to transfer it straight to a plate. So this is what they turn out like. These are left in the fridge overnight. So let's get rolling. So have a little plate on standby or a tray. I've got a tray here with some paper, just so they don't stick. And depending on how big you like them, I did kind of medium to small and they were with the tablespoon, but today I'm going to do them with a teaspoon. So you just scoop out the teaspoon. They'll do slightly smaller ones. Roll them in your hands, or make sure they're sticking. Roll them in your hands. And then just pop them on the tray. Now you can roll them in extra coconut if you like, but I sometimes just like things that aren't too fussy. And if you find that your mix is not sticky enough, you can just pop it in the fridge for half an hour and chill it before you start rolling. And I've just made 2 different sizes there. So the mixture will make roughly about 10 to 12, depending on how big or small you make them. They will last in the fridge up to 7 days, covered in a sealed container. And they'll last about 2 to 3 months in the freezer. So I've done tiny little ones today and I've made about 18. So I'm going to pop these in the fridge and I'll just pop them in for about 2 hours, then I'll grab them out and cover them and seal them in a container. So here's my Bouncy Banana Balls that I made yesterday. So they've gone a little bit browner overnight. That's just the banana in them. So let's bite into it. Yum. I feel bouncy already. I love the combination of banana, dates and coconut. Not too sweet. Feels like it's healthy. One would probably fill me up and keep me going till dinner time. So let me know if you've liked my Bouncy Banana Energy Balls today. Hit the thumbs up and don't forget, consider subscribing if you're new here today and you want to see more videos like this. And thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye. Yum, yum, yum.